cross-country all-island run started in 2017. Thus, this is the 7th staging of the event, where we take the batons with messages around the country, teaching and showcasing the dreams and the charges of the Honorable Prime Minister, Governor General, President of ALGA, and leader of the opposition.
The presentation of the cross-country Highland Run is designed to increase awareness and highlight the work of the Ministry of Local Governments and its agencies. The role of local government in our country today is extremely integral to the development of communities and the social and economic advancement of our people. That is why it is of such importance for Jamaicans to be aware of the services provided by the municipal corporation and to give full support and cooperation in order to create and build the partnership between local authorities and communities necessary to make the move of the parishes forward.
The month gives us that opportunity to show the public the works we do and for them to have a deeper appreciation of the activities. Beyond that, it helps us to encourage persons to participate in local government processes. I implore you, residents and of St. Mary, Portland, St. Anne, and the wider Jamaica, to visit the websites of the ministry and the local authorities to see the activities and to participate in these activities.